Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find wallpapers and style. Here, after scrolling again, we've got this wallpapers section, so let's tap on it. And here we've got different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So recent album, which is our own gallery, carousel wallpapers, which is a feature, let's say. Here we've got classic options, color OS 15, sublime grander, I believe, blossom, calm, light and shadow, and more wallpapers. So you can of course tap on it and go to the online wallpapers from which you can download something and choose something. They are, I believe, free of charge and they are really beautiful. However, I think that you have to have your account added, or yes, we will have to log into the OPPO account. So just let me skip it. I just wanted to show you that you've got the opportunity to find something really interesting. So let me maybe choose something like that. Maybe this one. It will correspond to the green colors. So let's simply tap on the wallpaper. It will appear on the full screen, and then simply tap on apply to. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both, or you can use carousel wallpapers. I will simply choose both. So let me tap on it. And here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. I also wanted to show you, because here in the home screen section you can choose the color, which means that you can simply apply the solid color like here, or gradient color to the as a background, as your home screen. So it's simply an additional option. Let me just match to the lock screen and tap on apply in the right upper corner. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.